What's going on, everybody? It's Dan with Rimrite again. Hey, we're going to show you how we powder coat these panels behind me. These are actually for a custom research combine, and I don't think we've done a really in-depth video on shooting a metallic color on a flat panel. Sorry about the background noise there. We are in a shop, and that's our air dryer keeping our lines dry for us and oil free. So we've got a bunch of miscellaneous panels that we're going to be shooting, some odd shapes for like dash parts, some flat panels here, and we're just going to kind of show you our process of how we spray these metallic parts. When you get a flat panel like that, it's common to get streaking or window framing where it's dark around the edges, so you'll kind of see us do it, but what we like to do is cross the panel horizontally and then vertically, just making sure that we do a nice like quick mist coat over it so the metallic kind of spreads out and falls on the panel evenly. And we'll make sure that we'll check from different angles around those edges and make sure that there's no really over-coated parts that are going to show up darker on them. So you'll see that, and then in the crevices on the back side of the panels where the panel bends around, we'll get in there pretty good. So they kind of look brownish now because we sandblasted them and then we heated them up. I just like to do it to make sure all the oil and everything's off of them. So we're going to spray these parts. We've got two bigger panels in the oven right now, just kind of cooking them off. And you'll see us spray both of those. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you learned something, let me know what it was. If you liked the video, give us that thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Check out some of our other videos. You never know, they could help you, or maybe I'm an idiot and I don't know what I'm talking about and you can help me. So let's get going. All right, so that's the second set of panels. You'll see that I put in the silicone plugs there that I showed you. They have tapped parts in them, so for screws and whatnot, so we plug them so that they don't have to go and re-tap and die them. The other thing, you probably saw me in there touching on the panel. With metallics, they tend to clump up, and there were just a couple little chunks on there, so I got rid of those, and then I went back in and did a mist coat just to kind of smooth it all out. If you don't get rid of those clumps, they're going to make little, it almost looks like debris in your paint. It'll just be a little hump where there was too much powder and it kind of melts into a mound. So any questions, like I said, just leave them below. You know what parts look like. We'll do a quick video of the first cart when it comes out, but other than that, we'll see you on the next one.